Welcome, guys. Good morning. My name is Shady BTC. I watch in the degenpal. And today we're gonna be continuing on our class series. So I think this should be class number 5 or 6, if I'm not mistaken. So today we're gonna be treating how to different ways of making money from Binance, how you can earn from Binance. Okay. So in case you're watching that for the first time, you're highly welcome. So far, we're actually treating doing a holistic video, like we are trying to analyze Binance, like treat everything on Binance, how you can make money, how you can make money from Binance, all the possible things you can do on Binance, how you can trade on Binance. We are trying to analyze Binance as a whole, as a desk and everything you can possibly do with Binance. Okay, so I would advise that you do it by checking up other videos you have made so far and also watch them so you can get yourself educated. Because by the end of this class, our goal is to make sure that everybody should be able to know, to perform transaction and do every possible thing on Binance. Okay, so today let's dive down to business of the day. So if you want to make money from Binance, there are many ways you can make money from Binance. This could be from staking, trading, um, liquidity pool, a lot of things you can do, even mining pool and other things. Okay, so all you just have to do is just say if you are using your mobile app or you are using your web version, which for this video I'm using my web version as you can see. I'm doing this video from my laptop. Just go straight to this end. You click on this end. You see many options. You have your end. You have your simple end. You have your launchpad. You have your mining pool, auto invest, BNB Vault, liquidity swap, DeFi staking, it staking, dual investment, and range bond. Okay, this and I talk about this one. This and one-stop investment just like a place where you invest your token, like you bring your BNB, you invest it there, and it generates revenue for you. So you get paid. It's being called APY. They pay you a certain amount of money at the end of the month or at the end of the day or at the end of the week, depending on the agreement or what you signed up for. So and the number of period you want to lock your project. Okay, so your token, sorry, if you can say to lock it for 1 month, 2 months, 2 months, so 3 months, that period of time which you lock it, you end up getting paid for providing liquidity, because it's like you're providing liquidity for us to be able to trade. Okay, the next thing is simple and it's the same thing where you earn on daily rewards and the tokens you deposited, as you can see, earn daily rewards on idle tokens you deposited, as a token you stake in the pool, and they use it for liquidity and they pay you for the money to generate. This is Launchpad, where you can launch your own token on Binance. You can launch token on Binance, just like so you can launch on Pixel and all that. This you can sell some token on Binance Launchpad. Okay, I'm making from this one mining. It's just not normal mining, which everybody does. Mining of liquidity and other things. Scale auto invest, where this one is BNB Vosh, where you can make money from BNB, deposit your BNB and you make money from it. Liquidity swap is where you add liquidity, something you provide liquidity for people to use and trade. You deposit maybe you can deposit your BNB and into the liquidity pool, and people use it to trade and you end up getting paid from the money they're generating. The next one is DeFi staking. DeFi staking is just the same. Basically, they're all basically the same. Where you stake your token, your DeFi token, which could be GMS, could be great. Well, the token you want to stake, you just take it there and they use it to provide liquidity, same thing, and you stake it for a particular period of time, which could be a year, 2 years, 3 years, depending on how many amount you want, which could be 6 months, could be 3 months, 1 month, 2 weeks, a week, and you end up getting paid. You might get paid some range from 1% to 30%, depends. Okay, so you stake your token and you end up getting paid on it. This one is it's staking. It's basically Ethereum, where you stake your Ethereum and you end up getting paid for staking your Ethereum and providing liquidity for people to trade. One beautiful thing about this is this: for someone to make a transaction, that's what they call a liquidity pool. A liquidity pool is where you have, let's say you want to swap Ethereum to BNB. So Ethereum and BNB. Now in that Ethereum and BNB, you have a liquidity pool composing of 50% of Ethereum, 50% of BNB. Someone will bring that BNB, someone will bring that Ethereum. So when you are depositing your Ethereum, you are taking BNB, which is exactly what you guys are doing for your normal transaction you're doing day to day, just like you are providing your token, you're taking the other token. So now something where it is now. So it's someone that provides that Ethereum which you use to swap. Okay, so that Ethereum someone is providing now, the person that is being providing it is being given reward based on the percentage they make from the transaction you pay, the transaction you did. They charge you for your transaction. So from there they pay the person for providing that liquidity. Because if someone does not provide liquidity, there cannot be any transaction. Okay. So the next thing is one investment and the next one is bond range. So this is just basically all on how you can make money from Binance, from staking your coin on Binance. So I think if you have huge amount of money and you don't want to be taking risk and you just want to looking for the best way to invest your money. Instead of you to keep your money in the bank and allow it to be the bank you use it to be doing forex and trading and making their money. You rather you come and stake it here and there. While you the token appreciate, your interest also appreciate and you make your money at the end of the day. So I just want to say thank you guys. Thank you for staying around. Please, in case you're watching from the system, I will really advise and I will plead with you to subscribe and also follow us. Also follow us on other social medias. In case you want to learn, I teach DeFi, I teach futures trading, I'm a developer and also a degen trader. I teach for degen trading because that is also my area of specialization, degen trading. Okay, I'm beginning with degen trading. So if you want to learn how to trade degen, you can just hit me up. My bio is on the description of this video. So just hit me up there and I will definitely reply you. Thank you guys. Enjoy your day. One love.